video of our room. There's a big closet right through here. There's 2 floors here, so I'll show you the top and the bottom. And then you come in here to the bathroom. We've got a shower over here. And the commode. A big tub. A vanity. A view. And then we'll go upstairs and see the room. I just don't want to drink a whole lot of wine here tonight because you'll probably go down these stairs. And then go ahead and wave, Craig. And here's our room. It's got a kettle, a coffee maker, a nice big bed. And then over here is the mini bar. We have a refrigerator and all your setups, and that is extra. And then we have a nice view of the garden and also of the sea. You can see the boats out there, which is really lovely. And then, if you look down here, there's a private garden only for the hotel. And we are also seeing the golden lion. So there you have our room.